Hi guys, welcome to Avica channel. Do you want to transfer your photos, videos, and other files from Mac to Windows? Wanna know how? Let's watch the video. Step 1. Login and connection. Open Avica Remote Desktop software. Log in your account. And then, you need to input the Avica ID of Windows PC and click Connect. Step 2. Transfer files. Find File Transfer button on the top bar of controlling surface. Select the target files and choose the destination location on the target windows, which you want the files to be transferred to. And click the Send button to swiftly transfer from Mac to Windows. In this video, I select the sample file and put it on the desktop of Windows PC. Okay, here is today's tutorial. Hope you like it. Avica works cross-platform. For more information about Avica Remote Desktop, please follow our channel.